Raj here. Today we're going to go and have a look around the van. See how everything we fitted in the micro camper. See how we got it in there. Show you what's what electric system we use, what we bought for the toilet, etc, etc. But yeah, come along and have a look. I've just pulled up on the lay-by, literally on the side of the A470. I do apologise for any traffic noise throughout the video, but this is where we are. But before we get into showing you the van around, I think I'm going to have a cup of coffee, see if this traffic settles down a bit, and then yeah, I'll show you around. So stay tuned. Right, I got my coffee, so let's get this tour on and go, is it? Cheers. Sink. Let's turn the pump on over here. It's a bit noisy, but it does work. If I was doing another one, I'd put the switch right here. It is a bit of a pot going down to get the switch for the water, but I run it perhaps once, twice a day. So that's all good. On the other side then we have the hob. Burner. This is an extendable table, side table, just pops up. Just falls down. It is a shelf. Just for knickknacks, sunglasses, my phone. We have storage above the cab, and that's for our sleeping bags and various other winter clothing. We have the speaker system. Coming dropping down. So this is a projector screen. The projector's in my drawer. So we just pull that up, usually on a tripod, and it goes through to onto the solar panel. What am I on about? It goes through to, it goes onto the screen, which is a thermal blind, blackout, so no one can see it in the night. It just folds up out of the way. It just folds up. Out of the way. There's a cab. It's just good to have somewhere to come in here, somewhere to do stuff. It's got full electrics in here. Let me get out. The only problem is you can't stand up, but that's only a problem if you make it a problem. So we have our electric system, 240 volt, the night heater control panel, the kill switch, these are the lights for everything, the carbon lights, water pump, blower, that's the solar panel controller. Solar panel is 120 watt eco-worthy. I've never needed more power in this. Like, there's two of us to charge our phones, run the laptop for an hour or two and charge the batteries on the GoPro and the drone. So there, I'll show you the messy bit. So, my fuse box down here is where the diesel heater is. That's a fly screen for the side door. Coming up to the other side, I don't know if you can see down here tidy, we have the battery, the charger and the electrics for electric hookup. The diesel tank. We did bring this extra power bank. It's only 30s, but it powers the laptop without having to worry about not waking up the power if I leave it on or the projector on. So we do use that. We do mostly for the 12-volt sockets, but it just gives me a bit of extra power so I know that I'm not going to run out of power. If that makes sense. That makes sense. First aid kit, fire extinguisher, carbon monoxide alarm. Hope we can go back there. And that's where all the batteries go to charge. Like the sides we use for just bits and bobs we need for the van. Same with the glove box is more or less extra bits if you need it. So it's pretty simple setup, but it is what it does. It does what it is. It is what it does. It does what it's. It does what it says on a tin. I can sleep in it. I can cook in it. I can eat in it. I can actually shower in it. There is a faucet, shower faucet for showering. It's getting freezing cold, but it works. 12-volt light system. Now I'll show you the side of the van. In here is the fridge, well, cooler box. Goes out. It's my fridge. And I got the milk, man. Why, man? Tea towels having a bash in tonight. Back this to the fridge. Then I have storage. In there is my drone case, some accessories for the camera, chest mount, light. There's a laptop. The size is the same. The toilet it pulls out. The bed's pretty easy to put out. We put it out on bed runners, on draw runners. So we can actually have 4 people sitting around the table, enjoying food, or take the table away and just have 4 people sitting in there, or 3 people sitting on the sides. It's a pretty versatile vehicle for the size of it. And that's it for the tour of the van. I'm going to stay here now, seeing as I'm here, and it's getting late, it's getting dark outside. I'm going to stay here, do some editing on the laptop, make a bacon and German salami sausage sandwich. Dunno, loads of coleslaw. You're welcome to stay and watch that if you want to. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. And the next one is, the next video should be the International Campervan Show and Overlander Show in Stratford upon Avon. We're displaying the van for built not bought campers. So yeah, pop along and say hello, grip a sticker. If you see this top, either on me or Shawnee, it'll be us. Say hello, come say hello, get a sticker. And yeah, hopefully see you there. Let me know whether you eat them in triangles, in squares, full ones, or you cut them in half in rectangles. I'm like a child, I'd have everything in 4 squares, in 4 triangles if I could. But 2 will do. If you like bacon, like and subscribe. If you don't, I'm sorry. I just can't do it. I'd love to be a vegetarian, but I love bacon and I love steak. I love beer. When I say I love beer, I love beer when I'm out camping in the van. 1 or 2 cans or bottles. Makes the night go by today. So you've got your sandwiches in triangles. Give me a like and subscribe. Give us a like and subscribe, me and Shoni. I'll see some more triangle sandwiches we make. And if you don't eat them triangles, still like and subscribe. If you like what you're seeing, like. And if you're not liking what you're seeing, please let me know why, so I can try and improve. So I got my sandwich. I got a can of beer, lager, Coors. So like I said, I'll do some editing and I'll leave you go today. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly